Let's learn how to play an A major scale. Let's start by playing Pizzicato. I'll name each note before I play it. A, B, C sharp, D, open E, F sharp, G sharp, A. And coming back down, A, G sharp, F sharp, fourth finger on the A, which is still in E, D, C sharp, B, and A. You'll notice while coming down from the E string, I swing out my left elbow so that my fourth finger is hovering over the note on the A string. Watch one more time. Let's play this scale Arco. You don't have to overdo your elbow coming out too much, but it certainly helps when you're on the lower strings. Now, let's play a song that uses all of the notes of the A major scale. This is the French folk song. We will play this Arco, but you can practice it pizzicato if you like. Be sure to use long bows for those long dotted half notes. 1, 2, 3.